Hi, I'm Jules, a speech pathologist. If your child wants to keep playing after pack away has been announced or after you've packed things away and they want to keep playing or keep pulling that toy out or emptying it, it is a great way to, if you have time to do so, if you're not racing off to school or the doctor or something, it is a great way to help your child put some expressive language with that request. So you could say more, so in Australia, more, or in America, more. So letting them know that they want more and that is how they ask for more. So you could say more play or more. That way you could then play again, play more. So bring it out. You could say one more. So you're responding to your child and hearing that they want to play again or they haven't quite finished their play yet. So you don't have to be super rigid. I say have a few more play goes so that you're putting language to something that's functional to them. So if they're leading the way, nope, I want more, you can follow that using your keyword sign, using your word and getting engaged with them. Obviously, after a few more attempts, you might actually say, it's finished, and sing the finish song, finish, pack away. And then you could move to something else like, come on, it's time for food. Let's get some apples, yum, and help redirect them to something that's equally engaging, something that they're looking forward to, a snack, going on the trampoline outside, water play in the bath, something that's different. But I do find that it is important to acknowledge when they do want to keep playing something and you can respond to that with language strategies. I hope you found this helpful.